After a few early coastal showers and some fog, Sydney was mostly cloudy today with moderate to fresh northeasterly winds. This is how the skies looked a little earlier as the sun started to dip below the horizon. Clouds gathering with some showers expected tonight. It was quite mild today, top temperatures 1 or 2 degrees warmer than average, reaching 18 in Terry Hills and Campbelltown, 19 the top in Richmond, Penrith and Liverpool, 20 in Kellyville, Parramatta, the city and in Cronulla. We saw showers move across the state from inland areas towards the coast today. The central and southwest, as well as parts of the Riverina, saw the heaviest falls. 15 millimetres falling in Forbes, 14 millimetres in Young and 9 in Condobolin. Temperatures mostly above average, ranging from 18 degrees in Wollongong and Batemans Bay all the way up to 20 in Newcastle and in Coffs Harbour. Further inland, Bathurst, Griffith and Albury all saw tops of 16 degrees. Let's take a look at tomorrow. And a deep low and associated cold front and trough will cross the south. That will bring widespread rain and strong winds to most of the eastern seaboard. So lots of rain around tomorrow. Showers are expected in Brisbane with a top of 22 degrees. Staying dry in Canberra with a top of 11. A shower or two on the way for Melbourne, 13 degrees. Showers in Adelaide and a possible storm in Perth. We're expecting showers in the northeast corner and along the north coast tomorrow. The heaviest rain is expected around the northern tablelands. Inland areas will be cool with tops of the low to mid-teens. The coast ranging from 17 in Batemans Bay up to 21 in Newcastle, Coffs Harbour and Grafton. Tonight, Sydney is expecting 1 to 5 millimetres of rain with light to moderate northeasterly winds. Then tomorrow it should develop into a mostly sunny day with light to moderate southwesterly winds. We're heading for tops of 18 to 19 degrees across the Sydney Basin. That is just a touch warmer than average. Let's take a look ahead. Thursday is looking fine and sunny. Certainly the pick of the week, a cooler 17 degrees, mostly sunny on Friday with a top of 18. Then we'll see a few showers on Saturday. That will bring between 2 and 9 millimetres of rain, most likely in the morning, before finding back up on Sunday with a top of 18 degrees. Take a look at our west. It will be sunny and 18 on Thursday. Partly cloudy skies on Friday before early showers on Saturday. Again, bringing between 2 to 9 millimetres of rain and a top of 18 degrees. It will fine up on Sunday and Monday with tops of 17 degrees and some chilly nights ahead too, range from 8 down to 1, Mark.
1. Amber, thank you.
Good evening again. It was a warm start to the day. The mercury hovered around 15 or 16 for most of the night before our maximum of 17 at 6:30 a.m. The rain took the edge off the temperature, so it was cooler after that. And in the city, the strongest gust of 52 kilometres an hour came just after 10:30 a.m. Moorabbin and Essendon were buffeted by gusts of 72, 78 at St Kilda and Tullamarine and 82 out on the bay. The wind chill factor was certainly evident today. In red are the maximums reached, while the blue, well, they're the feels-like temperatures, so quite a difference. The rain was steady, so some good falls, 6 millimetres through the north, 9 at Ferny Creek, but once it cleared, we even saw some breaks of sunshine. Kilmore Gap had 18 millimetres. The northeast had the best rainfall with some storms across the ranges bringing decent totals. 21 fell at Hunters Hill. Mount Tabletop near Mansfield had 35 and all of Victoria felt those powerful winds. Mount Hotham had a gust of 150 kilometres an hour just before 9 a.m. Mount Buller 130, 126 at Mount William. And there's still warnings in place for damaging winds tonight for these areas in orange. You can see how large this cold front is. It reaches right up into Queensland. The low is moving to the south and tomorrow we will have some showers in the wake of the system. Today, Perth had its equal coldest day of the year. Tomorrow, up to 35 millimetres, a top of 17. A welcome shower for Adelaide and 15. Hobart, a light shower and 15. Canberra from 2 to 11. A top of 19 for Sydney with a couple of showers. Up to 15 millimetres for Brisbane, a top of 22. Tomorrow for Victoria, patchy morning fog and frost inland. A partly cloudy day with isolated showers. 5 millimetres is forecast for Mansfield, 4 at Warragul. The southwest will get the lion's share of the falls with 10 millimetres forecast for Warrnambool. Small hail is possible in showers across the south and west, and that includes Ballarat. Showers heavier through eastern areas, dropping to around the 7 degree mark. Then maximums mainly 12 and 13 degrees. Possible small hail for Geelong, a light shower, a top of 12 degrees. Winds tend westerly and a few more showers tomorrow, just a couple of millimetres for the city, but we may also have some hail from the late morning, a top of 13 degrees. A mostly sunny day on Thursday with a top of 16. Friday should be dry during the day, showers later at night, 14 degrees. And then we have a very wet weekend on the way. Saturday and Sunday up to 10 millimetres and tops of 14 degrees. Those showers will persist through Monday, 14, just 13 on Tuesday. More showers. Tonight, a few passing showers and a low of 7. Small hail is possible from the late morning and showers from the afternoon and a top of just 13, so you really need to rug up.
We will. Thank you, Lavinia.
Oh, we certainly are, Melissa. Starting with tomorrow, we're likely to see some showers any time from sort of late morning, but in the afternoon there is a good chance a possible thunderstorm or two across southeast Queensland. We'll get a bit of a break on Thursday, but then rain moving back in on Saturday to start your weekend. First up though, the radar. Let's have a look starting from 9 this morning, and you should be looking at the majority of the showers around the Gold Coast. 31 millimetres at Monterey Keys. We had 24 millimetres at Coomera and 16 millimetres at the Gold Coast Seaway, the heaviest falls today. On to temperatures now over southeast Queensland, starting with a low of 6 in Kingaroy, the maximum 24, Ipswich, Tewantin and Gympie, 22 in Brisbane on the Sunshine Coast, 20 degrees Coolangatta and the Goldie, 19 in Toowoomba. The weather map, a low pressure system and a cold front crossing the southeast corner of the country. It'll bring gusty winds and showers, Tasmania, Victoria, South Oz and New South Wales. Showers and storms likely for southeast Queensland. Interstate, late showers and storms for Perth, but then showers across Adelaide, Melbourne, Sydney and Hobart. Early frost patches for Canberra, a sunny day in Darwin and 31 degrees. So Queensland tomorrow, a shower or two for Cairns and Mackay, cloudy with scattered showers in Townsville, cloudy with showers for Rocky, Gladstone, Bundaberg, Maryborough and Gympie. Most of eastern Queensland seeing some rainfall tomorrow. Sunny and dry with mid-20s inland for Mount Isa and Longreach, but Roma expecting some morning showers. Southeast Queensland, a cloudy day with scattered showers and the chance of a thunderstorm. Overnight temperatures falling between 9 and 13 Bayside. Daytime temperatures 19 to 22 maximum. Moreton Bay, west-northwest 5 to 10 knots. So they'll be light. The sea's below a metre on the bay and around a metre offshore. Brisbane, cloudy, a few showers, possible thunderstorms, a top just 22 degrees, down to 13 overnight. Now, you're out like for the 7 days. Early fog patches Thursday, that'll clear to a nice sunny day. Partly cloudy Friday and 22. Rain for Saturday, up to 20 millimetres. Shower or two Sunday morning, clearing to a sunny Monday. Ipswich, early fog, then sunny Thursday, 22. Partly cloudy Friday and 22. Rain Saturday, up to 25 millimetres. Showers Sunday morning, becoming sunny, and then Monday, blue skies and sunshine. For the Goldie, sunny Thursday, 21. Partly cloudy Friday and 21. Wet Saturday with up to 20 millimetres. Morning showers Sunday, clearing to a sunny afternoon, and a sunny Monday and 20 degrees. Sunshine Coast, some early fog, then sunny for Thursday, 21 degrees, partly cloudy Friday and 21. Rain for Saturday, 20, even up to 25 possible. Morning showers Sunday, clearing by the afternoon, and then sunshine for Monday. A little bit of a mixed bag, but keep an eye to the sky in the west tomorrow, Melissa, with the potential of thunderstorms heading your way.
All right, thanks for the advice, Gary.
Well, our wild night of wintry weather caused plenty of damage, but that system that brought all the rain and wind isn't quite done with us yet. We'll get to that in just a moment. Today, Adelaide reached a chilly top of just 13.6 not long after 1 p.m, after an overnight low of 9 at 8 a.m. And right now, we're sitting on 10.5. Plenty in the gauges overnight and around Adelaide today. 10 mils on the plains, double that in the hills. Woodhouse recorded 26 mils, 19 mils of rain fell up on Mount Lofty. It only reached 6 degrees there today. Temperatures in the mid-teens across the north today, reaching a top of 16 degrees at Coober Pedy and Port Augusta, 14 at Port Pirie. In the south, much of the same, 15 in the Riverland, 13 at Murray Bridge and Kingscote. Now to the satellite picture, and that cold front that brought all the wild weather has moved on to the east, and in its wake a high pressure system will bring clearer conditions across northern parts of the state tomorrow, but a low pressure system is moving in later this week which will bring more heavy rain.
Around the country tomorrow, a lot of that rain that we just saw is now headed for the eastern seaboard. Possible showers in Hobart, top of 15. A shower or two in Melbourne and Sydney. Wet in Cairns too, 29 degrees. A mostly clear day on the way for our north tomorrow. Sunny and 18 for Coober Pedy, Roxby Downs and Ceduna. A shower or two clearing and 16 the top for Port Lincoln. Further south, 17 the top for Renmark and Murray Bridge. A shower or two for Kingscote and Victor Harbour, 15 degrees. A severe weather warning for damaging winds has been issued for parts of the lower southeast tonight. Peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour possible, and a strong wind warning also remains in place for the lower southeast coast. On metro waters, winds westerly 15 to 20 knots will turn northwesterly before dawn, then becoming northerly about 10 knots in the evening, seas to 1.5 metres. Overnight tonight, there's a chance of small hail across the suburbs. 15 the top in Elizabeth and Glenelg tomorrow. 14 the top for Noarlunga, just 13 on Mount Lofty. With widespread showers across the city and suburbs, easing by late morning. Adelaide heading for a top of 15 degrees and down to just 8 overnight. And for the week ahead, a slight break from the wet weather on Thursday. Partly cloudy before the chance of showers creeping back in during the evening. And then on Friday, that next front will hit, bringing up to 70 mils of rain from the end of the week through to next Tuesday. Temperatures dropping back to in the low to mid-teens.